All right. So Param, I'm going to play finish the sentence game with you. Um, so your first one is, if I could go back in time and give advice to my younger self, it would be.
Don't take stress.
Wow.
Relax. Everything is going to happen. Whatever is going to happen is going to happen. So just believe in yourself more.
The biggest risk I've ever taken was.
Um, After my MBA, get into acting.
Wow. One thing I'm passionate about outside of acting is.
Spirituality, I think. Um, Looking for a lot of answers and also knowing that I'll never find those answers about a lot of things about purpose and क्यों है हम यहाँ what is it क्या ही हो जाता है कुछ भी करने से a lot of other pseudo things I'm passionate about
Do you believe in
deep conversations.
manifestation? You believe in?
Sometimes
No, I thought it was connected to that, like
I,
spirituality
I
and.
don't believe in any particular thing. I just believe in not believing like कुछ stamp नहीं मारना चाहिए किसी भी चीज़
अच्छा.
के लिए क्योंकि every day you are just changing and nobody is sure. I believe in one thing that we don't know anything, all of us. ये किताबी ज्ञान और लोगों के पॉडकास्ट सुन के जो हमने अपने जहन में डाल दिया है ना कि ये होता है या कुछ होता है
True.
रैंडमली कुछ नहीं होता है और कभी कुछ भी होता है
Yeah.
सो वो हमें तब पता चलेगा जब हम लोग चले जाएंगे और फिर उसका
Ah,
आंसर हम किसी को दे नहीं पाएंगे सो वी डोंट नो
all right. If I could switch lives with any other celebrity for a day, it would be.
इट वुड बी टॉम क्रूज या
Ah,
ओ माय गॉड फॉर अ डे क्यों यार एटलीस्ट एक
rest of the
हफ्ता
life.
आई डोंट माइंड आई डोंट माइंड डूइंग व्हाट ही डज
But Tom Cruise will have to switch lives with you.
ही इज डूइंग व्हाट आई एम डूइंग
Go मैं किसी के
उसको ये क्वेश्चन मत पूछना who's he I don't know him yeah Tom Cruise
the most important lesson I've learned from playing the role of Gum is.
honesty
Okay. One thing I'm looking forward to doing in the next year is, for the coming months, is.
being active on social media and
You have to.
yes
You
she has
really have
she
to.
answered for me I have to be more active I have to be more relevant I have to be more in touch with my admirers I promise
I like how you call them admirers.
they are my friends
If you could create, if I could create a new project or show, it would be about.
it would be about problems faced by men in today's times in the society I think it's high time that it should be addressed a lot of men are going through a lot of issues and I feel yeah
All right. Lastly, the biggest challenge I've faced in my career so far has been.
hmm. Biggest challenge uh, my some projects are not getting released can you do something about them like
I'll pray.
all we can do is pray see you answer it this is the answer all we can do is just pray right
Pray, right?
बस वही एक challenge है that I just want them to just come out and just yeah
All right. I hope next
ये
time
मैं I
you.
was not that bad
Yeah, I know you are pretty good.
ऐसे कैसे हुआ आज चलो हो गया
I prayed.
you prayed
All right. Thank you so much,
thank you
Param.
so
It was
much
great chatting with
yeah
you.
same here likewise
And hope you enjoyed this segment and
I
all
did
the best.
I did thank you really appreciate it. Thank you so much
Mm.